It's the YOGI MD Toolbox.
YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI MD Toolbox. YOGI.
Take your block and find the thickness that works for you. Place it between your thighs so that you are in a secure mountain pose. Exhale to have a seat. The E is for effort. Exhale to stand. Inhale to pause. Exhale to have a seat. Inhale to pause. Exhale to stand. Inhale. Exhale to have a seat. Slowly with control. And now remove the block. Don't let your knees buckle in. Inhale, upward salute, pressing the block up. Exhale to sit with control, slowly. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, remain standing with the block securely in your hands in front of your chest. Breathe. Then exhale to have a seat. Inhale to pause. Exhale to stand. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, block in front of your chest. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale to sit slowly with the block in your hands. Don't let your knees buckle in. Inhale to pause. Exhale to stand. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale to pause in mountain pose. And have a seat. Thanks.
YOGI MD Toolbox. 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 YOGI MD Toolbox.
It's the YOGI MD Toolbox.